This is the EWS0849KB, which is a grade 5 core drill resistant safe manufactured by Wertheim of Austria. Now, a core drill is the type of tool that was used in the Hatton Garden robbery. You may have heard of it. It's used in an awful lot of high profile, particularly vault robberies. This safe is made to resist that tool. Now, the safe itself for a grade 5 core drill resistant safe is very compact. It's only 848 millimeters high, 645 millimeters wide, and 565 millimeters deep. It has a volume of 110 liters and a weight of 665 kilos. Now, this is the 2022 version of this safe. Prior to the 2022 version, we used to have a version that came in two-tone colors. This is now a single grey color. And you'll notice on the front of the safe we have two Combi locks. These are the type of locks we normally use for any kind of marine application, because this particular safe is destined for a superyacht. Now I'm just going to open the safe now. I already have the locks open, and you can see that one thing Wertheim have not changed is how monstrous their construction is. This door is absolutely huge. There's 3 huge solid steel bolts down the side, one at the bottom, one at the top, and we have 3 fixed bolts that lock into the frame. So you have 360 degrees of locking all the way around. Now at the top of the door, the first alarm integration feature we have is an alarm contact mount, and there's a receiver on the inside of the door so we can monitor when the door is open and closed. Then on the inside of the door itself we have a little silver cable, which is an alarm draw cable, and that goes into the door and into the body of the safe down a VDS certified alarm cable channel. Now what that's for is, inside this door we have a seismic sensor mount, and we also have one at the top of the safe. So we can put in dual seismic sensors. Now what a seismic sensor does is it monitors any type of rhythmic tool attack. So it means when this safe is locked up, and even if the alarm is switched off, the seismic sensors are on. Anybody gets on board, in this case because it's a yacht, or maybe you had this in your home, and attacks this with any kind of drilling tool, cutting tool, anything like that, you get an instant dual alarm and it's game over. Now on the inside of the body of the safe, if you look at the base, you can see there are 2 plastic covers. Now one of them is for the anchor for this safe. So if this safe was getting anchored into a concrete floor, you would use something like this massive hammer-in anchoring bolt. You'd use this with a 2-pack epoxy. But the other hole is actually for another type of sensor, and that monitors if anyone tries to prise the safe. So you have numerous alarm integration features built into the safe. It's perfect for any kind of H&W application. Now on the inside of the door we can see our certifications. The top one is VDS in Germany, and they're a fully accredited German certification body. And below there we have ECBS, also based in Germany and fully accredited. And both of those badges we can see ISO IEC 17065. Now that's the accreditation for these bodies, so we know that they're fully accredited to certify the tests that have been applied to this safe. So to close it up, I withdraw the bolts, close this monstrous door all the way over, turn the handle. Now I'm going to lock the bottom lock, top lock, and we're all secure and ready to go.